Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Hello guys, let me introduce myself. My name is Hibatun Wafiroh from class 2B1 of Electromedical Engineering Poltekkes Kemenkes Surabaya. In this case, I will talk about one kind of tool named pliers. Do you know about pliers? No? Okay, pliers are a similar tool with different types of head used for cutting, filing rather than squeezing. There are many kinds of pliers made by various general and specific purpose. Now I will just explain a little bit about diagonal pliers, needle nose pliers, and combination pliers. Okay, first I will talk about diagonal pliers. This is channel low extreme beverage pliers and the pivot point is much closer to the blade. So it's how much easier to cut through material, and also the blade itself is a knife and handle style, it just lines up the blade. They are not like regular pliers, they are rather only used for cutting, and if you are doing electrical work, they are just excellent to have for cutting through wire. You can see how easily it cuts through wire and cable. So I have a cable and we can cut it like this. Okay, next I will talk about needle nose pliers. These pliers also can cut wire and cable like diagonal pliers, like this. See? And it actually makes it very easy to cut through insulation because one side is flat and so your blade always lines up like this. You can cut the insulates. The insulate was removed, and then it's excellent for bending your wire, so when you are wrapping around screw terminal, so good for those types of project like this. You can bending the wires like this. Okay, the next is combination pliers. They have a couple nice features. They are hardened. They have a cross hatch pattern on the front of the blade. And also the combination pliers is excellent for straightening out wire and also twisting wire together. Okay, we are straightening wire like this. We are straightening wires. And twisting wire together. Okay, we must set the instruments. So, no, not like this. Oh, what is it? This. Oh yeah. And twisting to cable like this. We can use the combination wires. Twisting to cable. Like this. Twisting to cable. Okay, that's all about 3 types of pliers. Thank you for watching. Don't forget for like, subscribe, and leave the comment below. So, sorry for bad words and bad language. Thank you. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.